Go.
Huh? My name's Betty. Oh, I just got my hair did. Oh, it's so precious. You stuck on my ear. A little wet. It's my favorite. My hairstyle is Sesame. It's so great. And I hope everybody loves my new hair because I love it. Oh my god, I had so much fun getting my hair done. It was so much fun. What's going on there? I'm so like well, my name is Betsy, or Betty, and I love my new hair. Toodles.